Hello guys, today I'll talk to you about difference between CV and resume. So firstly let's talk about CV, which is curriculum vitae. It is a longer version of your entire experience, you can say. So it's better to go up to 4 pages max. It is in chronological order. So for example, what is the first you did, let's say you did your uh, studies in school, then you went to college, which college, then maybe masters, then your first job, second job. So like that it is in chronological order. Next thing about CV is like it will not change according to the jobs. So it will remain as it is, and you keep on adding as you grow down the ladder. Next is resume. So resume is a crisp form of your experience. In resume it can go max 1 to 2 pages. It will have the recruiters can have a quick overlook on your resume and can give like proceed further. One more interesting thing about resume is that it can be variable. It can vary according to the job. For example, if you're applying for a job A type, then your resume will be more inclined towards what you did in the field of A, and if it is more towards B, then vice versa. Also, there is one more point which I would like to highlight between the difference between CV and resume is that like resume can be in any order. So as I said, like CV can be only in it's better to have it in chronological order, but resume can be in any order, or even if not order, it is like abstract, like you can write the way you like to. Now coming to geographies, so various countries have their own preference. So for example, in US and Canada, they prefer resume. Countries like UK, Europe, they prefer more of a CV. And the other countries like you have South Africa, India, Australia. So these countries, they use the term resume and CV interchangeably. So depending on the location which you are in, so you will try to understand like okay, why the particular format is in that particular written in that particular way. So when you are applying for a job in a specific country, you should think of modifying your CV or resume accordingly. That's it for today, and it's all around. Uh, the situation is like the jobs you need to search for a job if or you might have to uh, apply for something new after like couple of months or now itself. So for that it's better to have this particular clarity. That's it. Bye bye.